Welcome back to the garden, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore another one of nature's delightful surprises. Today, let's meet the cucamelon, a fruit that looks like a miniature watermelon, almost like a dollhouse version of the real thing. But don't let its adorable appearance fool you. This tiny fruit packs a surprisingly zesty, citrusy punch that will awaken your taste buds, also known as the mouse melon or sandy eater, a charming nod to its resemblance to little watermelons. This little wonder is scientifically known as Melothria scabra, a unique and fascinating member of the vast and varied cucumber family. It's a botanical gem. Don't be fooled by its looks. It's not a watermelon or a cucumber melon hybrid. Despite the visual similarities, it stands proudly as its own quirky species with characteristics all its own. Gardeners absolutely love cucamelons, not only for their uniquely refreshing taste, which is a delightful mix of cucumber and lime, but also for their incredible resilience. They're remarkably tough, surprisingly low maintenance, and naturally resistant to many common garden pests. These vigorous climbers add a touch of wild beauty and vertical interest to any garden space, thriving happily in pots on a sunny balcony or sprawling across a dedicated plot in your garden. Whether you're a seasoned grower with years of experience under your belt or a complete beginner just starting your gardening journey, cucamelons are a fun, relatively easy, and incredibly rewarding project to undertake. They bring a delightful sense of discovery and pure, unadulterated joy to the gardening experience, proving once again that the best and most exciting things in life often come in the smallest and most unexpected packages. Ready to dive in and see exactly how to grow these miniature marvels? Let's dig in and get our hands dirty, shall we? Native to the warm climates of Mexico and Central America, cucamelons have thrived for centuries. These little gems adore warmth and sunshine, soaking up the rays to produce their delightful fruit. They really flourish in a sunny environment. To get a head start, begin sowing seeds indoors in April, giving them a warm, bright place to sprout. Once the threat of frost has passed, gently transplant the seedlings outdoors, ensuring they have plenty of space to grow. Choose a sunny location, ideally a spot that's somewhat sheltered from strong winds. Ensure the soil is well drained. Cucamelons don't like sitting in soggy conditions. Provide them with a trellis or netting to climb. They'll happily reach for the sky. They're natural vertical growers, like loofahs, making them perfect for gardens with limited space, or even container gardening on balconies. Keep an eye out for the appearance of tiny, delicate yellow flowers, very similar to zucchini, which signal that fruit is on its way. Soon you'll notice the development of grape-sized, striped fruits hanging like miniature watermelons. Harvest the cucamelons when they're firm to the touch. This is when they offer the most delightful, crisp flavor. To encourage continuous production, don't let them over-ripen on the vine. Aim to pick them every few days. Regular harvesting will reward you with a steady and abundant supply of these unique fruits throughout the entire summer season. Harvesting is a breeze. No special tools are needed, simply pluck them gently from the vine and get ready to enjoy. We generally eat ours as we pick them, so there's not much to carry into the house. If you have any leftovers after snacking in the garden, store your harvested cucamelons in the fridge. They'll stay crisp and delicious for up to a week. The more you pick, the more they produce, ensuring a continuous crop of these delightful treats. Their steady and prolonged harvest is a real treat for any gardener, providing a unique and satisfying gardening experience. Now let's explore the nutritional benefits and discover why these little fruits are as good for you as they are incredibly tasty. Cucamelons may be small in stature, but they're absolutely packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and essential antioxidants and dietary fiber. They hydrate just like cucumbers and help keep your digestive system happy and healthy. Their phytonutrients, including fisetin, may even support optimal brain health and memory function. The very best flavor truly comes from homegrown, freshly picked fruits. Harvest them at grape size for that perfect crispness and delightful tang. There aren't a huge amount of varieties, but Melothria scabra is definitely the star. Add these to your diet for a truly healthy, refreshing snack. Next up, let's get creative in the kitchen with these wonderful little marvels. Here's exactly how to make the most of your cucamelon bounty. For a quick and refreshing treat, let's explore some culinary possibilities with cucamelons. One of the easiest and most delicious ways to enjoy them is to chop cucamelons into a vibrant salsa. Simply combine the diced cucamelons with finely chopped onion, fresh coriander, a touch of chili for some heat, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. This salsa is incredibly versatile. It's perfect served with grilled fish, chicken, or even alongside your favorite tacos. Or for a casual snack, serve it with tortilla chips. Beyond salsa, toss them whole into salads for a burst of juicy freshness and a delightful crunch. You can also skewer them with salty feta cheese and sweet cherry tomatoes for a fun and elegant canapé that's sure to impress your guests. For a longer-lasting treat, pickle them in a brine of vinegar, sugar, and your favorite spices. This results in a tangy and crunchy snack that's perfect straight from the jar. Pickled cucamelons are a great way to preserve your harvest and enjoy their unique flavor that lasts through winter. Their slightly sour and refreshing taste makes them a quirky and delightful substitute for traditional pickled vegetables like olives or gherkins. Add them to your cheese boards for an unexpected and flavorful twist. Interestingly, the plant's root has traditional medicinal uses in Mexico. However, we recommend you stick to enjoying the delicious fruit for your culinary adventures in the kitchen. The cucamelon is not only a joy to grow in your garden, but also a delight to eat, offering a unique and refreshing flavor experience. And without a doubt, it's a fantastic conversation starter at any table, sparking curiosity and delight among your guests. So give them a try in your garden this year and discover the joy of growing your own cucamelons. We're confident that you'll be pleasantly surprised by just how much you love them and their versatility. If you enjoyed learning about the recipes and surprising uses of cucamelons, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you more exciting garden adventures and tips for growing unique and delicious plants. We'd love to hear about your own experiences with cucamelons, so share your cucamelon stories and recipes in the comments below. Happy gardening, and we hope you have a bountiful cucamelon harvest.